All right, we're live. Dude, SPY's tearing. If we took those 325s a little bit later, it'd be up huge.
Oh my God, Apple. There it goes again.
Yeah, I think Apple's bringing the market up. IWM bottoming is also helping. It's not breaking the damn neckline, though. If IWM breaks this neckline here, it's going to rocket. What's going on, Josh? We just need IWM to break out here. It's been leading the markets. If it breaks out here, it should be pretty damn good. Who's in Apple still? I know a lot of you guys closed, which don't beat yourself up for that. Closing was not a bad idea,
I'm
especially with
still in Apple.
especially with the markets fucking melting. You're still in. Julian's
Yeah,
in. Nice.
I'm gonna close at the end of the day.
That's not a bad idea, man. Not a bad idea. Josh, I don't know what to make of it, man. It's just brutal. There's not even that much. There's like no bad news today. The earnings yesterday were absolutely beautiful. Facebook beat earnings, Apple beat earnings, Amazon beat earnings. They went up huge. Look at Facebook, it's up 8%, Apple's up 9%, Amazon was up 5 to 6%, and the market was just straight down. It's very, very hard to predict, man. Like I was telling the Discord, this is one of my worst weeks I've ever had. And it's just because I'm a big price action guy. I like looking at patterns. I like watching trends and looking for the shifts in momentum. And the way the market has been shifting recently is just unpredictable. It is very, very hard to trade. Yeah, Austin, anybody that was in tech, what Evo, is Evo in here? Evo's not in here, but he showed us his portfolio yesterday and he was fucking heavy in tech, so he's probably looking pretty good. Man, this IWM just does not want to break out. If it breaks this inverse head and shoulders, SPY will hit 325. You're buying shares, Austin, is that what you mean? Hey, guys, what's going on, man? Intel, still nice recovery. %100% of your stock is in tech. Oh, yeah, I meant to post that, USLT. I forgot to. They found out that fucking guy who hacked all those Twitter accounts was a 17-year-old. That kid's gonna get a job, dude. They're gonna pretend like they're arresting him. It's gonna be like some catch me if you can shit. The FBI is gonna give that kid a job. Oh, 100%. FBI, CIA are giving that kid a job. 100%. 17-year-old hacking some of the most important people's Twitters in the world. All right, that kid actually looks like a school shooter. They might not give him a job. That kid looks a little crazy. All right, never mind. They're throwing that kid in the hole.
Well, just won't quit.
They might shackle him to a desk or something, get him to work. Come on, spy. You made it this far. I think Apple is driving the market right now. You blew through your first targets, guys. Second target's coming up, 421, 422. You think so, Fly Guy? 420, end of day? We're about to be there. Man, Twitter's falling off a cliff. I want to grab this trade so bad. I fucking hate holding stuff over the weekend, especially entering on Friday. It could be double bottoming. Yeah, 50-minute bull div. I don't know if I can pick this up here. I think I'm going to pick it up on Monday. Hopefully it doesn't have like a massive gap down. Alright, here you go on IWM. You're finally starting to break that inverse head and shoulders neckline. You need to get above it though. There's no volume here. This is where you'll start to break out. There's no resistance here. You just need some volume. Jillian, what time frame are you talking about? 1 minute? Yeah, USLT, I'm confused about that, man, because Trump is saying it should be more than $1,200 per check, but the House is saying 1,000. So who fucking knows, man? Yeah, it is overextended if you're talking about Apple. 1 minute, 5 minutes overextended, probably a little bit of a pullback. Yep, IWM still resisting the neckline. Man, SPY climbed all the way to our lotto price. It's going to stall out 50 cents early. Needs to go up a little bit more. And we'll hit our lotto. What do we got? We got 45 minutes left about. VIX is starting to roll over. Yeah, VIX doesn't look good here, man. SPY should climb. We need IWM to hold up here. We need Apple to keep going, man. Apple's driving the price right now. When the biggest stock on the stock market has a move like this, it helps. Yeah, the 1 hour is extremely extended, but that's from earnings, so that's okay. Come on, IWM. It's putting in like a rising wedge, but they haven't been playing out recently, so.
Here comes SPY. Come on, SPY, run.
Yeah, I know. We need a little bit more. One more pump, and it should be okay for us to turn profitable on this trade.
I can hold SPY calls until 15 minutes after close, right?
Not if they expire today, I don't think.
Well, that's bogus.
Yeah, I'm not sure, though. But I don't think so. Not if they expire. Because technically they would expire on the end of day, right?
There goes 420.
The 15 minutes after is the next day. Here we go. 421 target coming up
421 for what?
for Apple. Apple's fucking tearing today.
Are you in Apple?
No, a lot of people in Discord are, though. JMA called us out for earnings. He played it. He closed it on open, though. Up 4% from the open low. Intel, what's Intel doing? It looks okay. I like Intel a lot, man. I like Intel a lot. It's hard not to buy Intel here. You're on a massive monthly support. You're on a weekly support. You're on a daily support. You're also at your coronavirus lows. You're extremely extended, the most extended you've ever been. It's a massive blue chip stock that's been around for decades. It's very hard not to buy Intel here. All right, SPY, let's go. Give me 325.
Let's go 327.
Yeah, I'll take that too.
It's all because SR shorted it yesterday.
Yeah.
Look at silver. It's at the high of the day.
Is it running? Nice. Holy shit. Apple has 1.35 million calls today.
It just broke 420.
Still respecting the upper band. Putting in a bear div, though. Might start to pull back or consolidate. Gonna bring the market down. Yep. Market's getting hit.
Did you hear Microsoft's thinking about buying TikTok?
Yeah, I've seen that.
Do we play the weekend news?
Yeah, you do, Wayne. Excuse me. Wayne, you do need to close that. Yeah, you want to take profit on that before close, Wayne. If you're not going to exercise it. You probably want to close it pretty soon, too. Make sure there's a buyer for it, you know what I mean? Yeah, silver had a nice run here end of day. Not bad.
Dime has this entire Discord obsessed with silver.
Yeah. IWM
Apple.
failing that neckline. Apple's pulling back. It's that bear div. There's a bear div holding it down. The market is basically following Apple right now. Might as well just watch Apple. They're currently testing their 21 EMA on the 1 minute. What time is it? We got about 40 minutes left. Did SPY just tick green? SPY ticked green. SPY's green on the day. The Q's is up 1% on the day. Based on close, not on open. Power hour fucking pump. Let's go. If IWM just breaks this damn neckline here, the markets will rocket. If IWM hits this 147 pivot, we'll make money on our SPY calls. Even though we're down like 70% right now. Yeah, silver's doing good, man. 4% on the day. Not a lot of calls coming in, though. I don't see any calls, actually. Yeah, not a lot. Apple, high a day.
Holy moly.
Here comes the next target on Apple, 421.23. You basically hit it already. Here, let me use magnet mode. I'll tell you the exact targets.
There goes SPY.
Where was I taking this? There you go. That's magnet mode. We just barely missed it by like 1 penny. Yeah, like 10 cents is off your target. Yeah, here goes SPY.
Yep. It's
Our
gonna rip into close.
Our contract's fucking going up. Come on, IWM. It's playing with this neckline, man. See, IWM, if it was respecting price action patterns, this should nuke here. Because you have a rising wedge with a bear div. These are typically extremely bearish. It's been completely ignoring these patterns the past couple of days. So this should fall here. But we're hoping it ignores it again. Yeah, VIX is falling off a cliff. How's the dollar doing? The dollar's holding that 93 support. $92.55 is the low on the dollar index. Holding that 93 support. There you go, Apple hit your target. You've got 2 targets left on Apple, 422.30 and 426.60. What is that? 4 targets. 4 targets have been hit already. Big bear divs coming in on the markets. Once again, they have not been respecting these patterns. Markets are being driven by fundamentals this week. Technicals are not really playing a big part. Next target on Apple coming up. Still respecting the bands. Come on, SPY, you came this far. Low of the day was a 1 minute bull div. What's kind of gross about SPY here, even though it's extremely bearish, if you look at the past 3 days, or what is this, 2 days? Is this 2 or 3? 2 days. If you look at the past 2 days, you're putting in a higher high and a higher low. So it is fucking choppy as hell. But the past 2 days, nuked, higher high, higher low. Yeah, 30-minute is very strong here. Bounced off the pivot, engulfing. Or that's a piercing, actually. Piercing candle, then engulfing. Continuation. Yeah, look at the 1 hour. 2 pivots. Held us up beautifully. Massive 1 hour candle. Closes in 5 minutes. 4 hour, complete reversal. These fucking reversals are dangerous. Did Apple hit its next target? Not yet. As
I'm waiting to be filled.
fucking IWM breakout, please. Let's see another pump like we saw yesterday when there was a short squeeze. That short squeeze yesterday was dangerous.
Apple's dropping a bit.
Yeah, it has another bear div. Aaron, I'm still holding IWM, so technically yes. Like I was saying earlier to JMA, I don't like the bearish mentality right now. Even though the markets are playing us and it makes it seem like we should be bearish, because this when that stimulus drops, the market should be bullish. The market is definitely pricing in the stimulus, but it's still going to react bullishly when it finally gets passed. So until that stimulus is passed, I do not like the bearish mentality. Because imagine being bearish and then the next day they release the stimulus. Like, I don't want to be that guy.
What's the 422 target?
It's a Fibonacci number.
There it goes.
And there it is. All right, we have one target left, 426. We get that by end of day, that'll be fucking insane. I don't think we will. So what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 targets have been hit. If you're still in Apple, closing here would not be a bad idea.
I'm just waiting to be filled. I fucking hate Robinhood.
You sold your Apple at 415? Yeah, man. They that's not a bad sell though. 415 is not terrible. Next target on Apple is 426. It's the last target on Apple. Anything above that is ridiculous. Nice, Julian. You made 1700 on Apple? Fucking love to see it, dude. Love to see it. Did you pick that up when JMA grabbed it? Come on, Spy. You came this far. Yeah, Bridgeman, the market is fucking insane right now. It is absolutely insane. Election year plus the coronavirus plus the Fed plus the stimulus. It's ridiculous, man. It's so hard to trade. Like I was telling the Discord, if you guys are making money right now, you guys are doing a very good job. If you're losing money, don't feel bad.
I'm up 47% today.
Yeah, that's huge. You guys are doing a really good job.
I'm up $100 on the week.
Nice. I am
$100 and a permanent case of life tilt.
Yeah, I'm red a couple grand on the week. So
Apple's pulling back a little bit.
or should I say I'm red a couple of cruises. I'm red a life supply of fucking Chick-fil-A lunches.
Did you get the salad today?
I did, it was good. I tried the avocado sauce. I still like the apple cider sauce better.
I'm gonna drop my limit by 5 cents. I'm not gonna lose this over $5.
Yeah, don't lose it over $5, especially over the weekend. What's the spread? You could just mark it out of it, to be honest.
On Robinhood,
Yeah, like what's the spread on your contract?
400, 405.
Yeah, it's only $5 spread. Yeah, I would just mark it out. If you're ready to get out, mark it. If you're not, it's going up right now. You'll probably get filled. Yeah, if the spread is ever that small, just always mark it out. Don't even bother losing it. The only time you want to limit out is if it's like a 10%, 20% spread, like something ridiculous. If it's like a $5 spread, shit, mark it out. Oh, Spy, do not do this to me. Do not top out 14 cents, 15 cents from my in the money. Mike, you're a smart man. No, Apple shouldn't dump next week if it's continuing the strength that it has right now. In this market, man, I would not look. Just take it day by day. Do not look that far out. You try to look like 3, 4, 5 days in advance in this market, you're going to get killed. Just take it day by day. And as of right now, it should be good on Monday. We'll see how it reacts. It's still going. It looks like it wants to break the high. If IWM would just break this damn neckline here. IWM is doing exactly what it did before that random ass short squeeze came in yesterday. Where you put in a rising wedge, put in a bear div, and then it just consolidated long enough to where that bear div was invalidated, and then it fucking nuked all the bears. Let's see if it wants to do that again. Looks like it's getting ready to do it right now. Yep. Here it goes. Dude, Apple's on fire. New high a day.
Spy's going up.
I got filled finally.
Nice, dude. Great trade,
I
man.
got it. I got in at $1, out at $3.75.
Yeah, that's fantastic. That is a successful earnings play. If you had the balls to hold the contract that JMA called out, it's literally at $2,000 a contract. Holy fuck, which contract is that? The $400. Oh, that's the one that JMA took? He took the $400? Holy shit. He's crazy. $400 strike that expired today. Oh yeah, that's in the money.
Oh, Apple's still going.
He sold at 10, felt good, it went to 25. Holy shit. It's like the Tesla play, man. It just doesn't stop. Dude, if it hits this fucking... What is that target? 426 by end of day? Oh my. There's 30 minutes left. Our SPY contracts are about to be in the money. IWM refuses to break out here. I thought about fucking adding to my SPY lotto too, but I don't add to lottos. I take lottos and then forget about them. If we added onto that lotto, it'd be up huge. From the bottom, they're up like... shit. 200%. Oh, Trump might be pulling the markets back here. He's talking shit about Pelosi and Schumer and how they don't want to make a deal. The market's going up without IWM here. If IWM breaks, all we need.
So we're gonna be green on the day, huh? As far as ES SPY
Yes,
go.
yes. Buy and Qs are closing green. ES is not. NASDAQ is. If ES goes up one more point, it will close green. Dude, Apple's gonna hit this 426 by end of day. This is disgusting. It's so extended. The last like 10 candles have been extended to the upside. Very bullish.
Silver went up a little bit and then just came back down.
Yeah, it's because the dollar's bouncing. That hourly close on SPY was huge. Basically a perfect close. No bottom wick, barely any top wick. Complete bounce out of 4 supports. Massive close. Sadly, we're about to be in the money. And we're... oh, 1 penny. It topped out 1 penny from us being in the money. But we'll still be negative because of our time premium. So we need this to go to like 325.50 or 326 and we'll make money on it.
People just don't give a fuck.
Who's still holding Apple? Is anybody holding over the weekend? Taking profit is not a bad idea. You're holding through the weekend?
I wasn't gonna risk $3.50 a contract to try to make $1.50 more.
Yeah, exactly. Jesus, Aaron. Love to see it, dude. Let me get you upgraded, man. Man, you guys are killing it this week. You guys are kicking my ass when it comes to percentages. You guys are killing me. Good trades, dude. I got you upgraded, man. You're diamond now. Fucking hell of a trade. Remember, guys, if you guys are under the PDT rule and you want to close your position, you can turn it into a spread. So if you want to close the call, you can turn it into a spread. And that basically takes your profit off the table. And it doesn't count as a day trade.
You already ranked me, right?
I think so. Yeah, you're gold. Do you have anything higher than 30? If your account's higher than 30%, post the new one and I'll rank you again.
44.
You have to be 50. 50
Okay.
50 for platinum and then 100 for diamond.
Gotcha.
Nice, SR. Let me get you ranked. That is platinum. Good trading, man. Man, you guys are killing it. Good trades. Shows you that I was trading all the wrong things this week. We called out a lot of good shit. I just traded all the wrong shit. Nice, SR. Breaking that 5 figures. If SPY starts coming back here, I might just take what it's gonna give me. Better than losing 100%. Yeah, it's coming back. It's because of IWM, man. IWM will not break out here.
Apple just wicked 425.
Got 20 minutes to break out and it's pulling back. Yeah, it's disgusting. Apple might actually hit this fucking target, dude. It's insane. 426.60. Yeah, as soon as JMA went to work, man, the market's fucking pumped. The 427.31 calls were 10 cents this morning. Jesus. Yeah, I know, John, dude. It's crazy, man. Looking back at my trades that we lost this week, like you said, just a slight shift in timing this week would have been completely fucking different. Just a little bit different on the entry, just a little bit different on the exit. We had the right idea on most of our trades. It's just that timing that got us, man. Like the Q's trade. Fuck, if I would have walked away from my computer for 1 minute and we would have came back to that trade would have been massive. The Beyond trade would have been massive. The Caterpillar trade would have been massive. Just mistakes, man. Mistakes on my part. Bad timing. It happens. Yeah, Beyond and Caterpillar were both greed, and that's because they were on the small account. I said multiple times that if they were on the main account, I would have treated them differently. My problem is the reason we were doing so well on the small account was because I was treating it like my main account. And then when I stopped treating it like my main account and we started getting a little degenerate, I got my ass kicked. But yeah, perfect way to put it, man. It's just a problem with timing for the most part. I'm not mad at myself at all for that SPY trade yesterday, and that's one of our biggest losses of the week. That trade was textbook. And I know how much money I've made on that exact trade over the years. So taking that trade and losing that trade, that's not a big deal. The Q's trade, I'm mad at myself for that one because I could have given it a little bit more wiggle room We got out of that one a little too quick. We took profit on it, but what? It was like 3 to 5%. Because I was afraid of letting a winner become a loser, right? Because that's what the whole theme of the week was, letting winners become losers. So as soon as that thing started coming back, I closed it. And then that was like literally the fake out, and it rocketed. So you pay the price. Man, SPY's going to make me close it here. And IWM's going to rock it. We might just... 15 minutes till close. We might just have to hold on to this for as long as possible. See what SPY does. Max loss or not. It's a lotto, right? All we need is one engulfing candle on IWM. It should send the market. Looks like it's getting ready for it. Yeah, I could have, John. Could have scaled out. There's a lot of things I could have done, for sure. Just a rough week. A lot of mistakes. We're still up about 15% overall on my main account in the past, like, month. I'm happy about that. The cash account we're down on since that SPY loss. About 10%. The small account, we're down a lot. We're down about... Well, from our top, we're down a lot. Alright, here we go. IWM's coming out. Here we go on SPY. Alright, our contract is really moving here now. We're almost break even.
Oh, there it goes.
Here we go. Here's like I said, all we were waiting on was IWM. IWM's finally breaking out here, taking the market with it. Hey Josh, I appreciate that, man. ES testing the value area high. Yeah, ES is pumping.
So that was a inverted head and shoulder, huh?
100%. Yeah, textbook on IWM. Absolutely textbook. I'm watching this pivot here for IWM. 15 minutes left. I'm not going to take those trades, guys, that I talked about. Both those trades I was looking at, I'm not going to take those. If I take them, it'll be on Monday. I'm not holding them over the weekend. Well, actually, they are premium trades, so holding over the weekend helps me. Huh. Let me take a look at that trade real quick. Oh, I set that Twitter one up wrong again. I'm so bad at setting those fucking premium trades up wrong. Or setting them up right. I always do them wrong. It's still not a bad trade. It's got to fix the strikes a little bit. It would be like this. Or no, fuck, what am I doing wrong? Oh, I'm an idiot. I was on the put side, not the call side.
What a complete reversal from where we
Dude, the
started.
markets are brutal right now. It is
That is just insane. That was like
absolutely brutal.
a 50-point drop down and now a 50-point back up.
Mm-hmm. We are profitable on that SPY contract. Holy shit. We were down 96%. And we're profitable. It's coming back a little bit, though. We might have to close it here in a second. For whatever it will give me. God, it's moving so fast. Now we're down 20%. We were profitable like 10. Now we're down 20. Jesus. These things are moving. So far, it's holding this pivot. What do we have? We got 8 minutes left. Now they're down 40% again. There is absolutely no time premium left. If it doesn't tick up here, they're going to expire worthless, basically. They're moving too fast to get out of. So it either ticks up and you close it, or it doesn't tick up and it's worthless. I have 325. 325 strike is the one that I have. It's expiring in 5 minutes, basically. It's gonna expire in the money. But that doesn't mean shit for us. Because I'm not gonna exercise it.
I wonder if anybody's doing the AMD put because it's really overextended.
Ah, it's not gonna tick up for me. If it ticks up before close, we'll be able to close this. It doesn't want to, though.
Are you green on it?
No, I'm down. I'm down like 30%. I was green for like 2 minutes. And then it shifted to negative 40% right after. because there's no time premium left, so it moves really rapidly. Yeah, IWM's coming back. We might have to close this here in a second. Take some money off the table. Give me one tick up here, Spy. Every time we say that, it usually doesn't work.
Just trying.
Alright, everybody in chat, post a fucking bull or something. Post something bullish, please. Help this trade. Alright, it's working. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. It's working. Post some bullish shit. I don't care what it is. Post something that's bullish. We're almost positive. Keep going. Keep doing it. We're positive. Keep doing it. There's 5 minutes until close. Keep going. We're up 10%. Get the printers. Turn them on.
There you go.
Turn the printers on. We're up 15%. We were down 96.
Sell it.
Keep going. We're up 20. There's 3 minutes left.
There it goes.
Keep fucking going, boys. We're up 30. This is the most disgusting reversal I've ever seen. Alright, we're closing it. We're closing it, boys. We're closing it. Alright, thank you guys. Thank you guys for your effort. I do appreciate it. We went from being down 96 to being positive like 25.
25 is 25.
Exactly. I will fucking take it any day. That actually puts us green on the day on the cash account. Definitely not green on the day overall, but green on the day on the cash account. We'll take it. %22 gain after being down 96. What a fucking joke that is.
Imagine getting in on that bottom.
Oh, I know. I thought about adding, but I don't add to lottos.
That bottom also had no, like, I couldn't figure out where that bottom came from because it had fell through the support.
It's still going. We could have made fucking more on this. That's how stupid this reversal is. It's at 90.
It's about to, oh my God.
Dude, IWM is only down 1%. What a fucking day. They're up 50% now, those contracts. They're up 50%. They were down 96. That is same day lottos for you.
It literally is up where it was before the open.
Same day lottos. Holy shit, they're fucking crazy. The contracts are at 94. We bought them at 64. They were down to like less than 10. If you bought them when they were at 10, you're up fucking 1,000% already. They're about to break 3 digits. They're about to be $1.
Wow, silver.
And they're $1. They hit $1 before the end of the day.
Still going.
What do you have? You have 40 seconds to close it. $1.05, $1.10.
Wow. You could have thrown $100 at it, came out with 1,000.
Yep. $1.22, $1.25, $1.28, $1.35, $1.40. Jesus.
Oh my God.
$1.45, $1.50, $1.60.
You just passed the high from the last day.
All right, market's closed. Holy shit, what a reversal.
Wow. It literally closed above the high of the
Yep,
day,
high day.
overnight session.
We bought them at 64, guys. We closed them at 78. They closed at $1.50. We could have made over 100% on that contract after being down 96%. That's what kind of market we're trading right now.
Silver pumped a new high of the day also at the end.
Fucking incredible.
It pushed me to 49.28% for the day.
Coulda, woulda, shoulda, man. That's the entire week. The entire week is coulda, woulda, shoulda. Fucking reversals like crazy. Coulda sold higher. Coulda bought the bottoms. Coulda sold the top.
Those 326s were 2 cents, and they went to 35.
Dude, it's insane. I'm telling you. Let me hear. I'll show you guys the chart. Give me a second. Let me grab my contract. Look at this fucking chart on the day. Look at this. Here you go. Let me screenshot this. This was the contract that we traded today. We bought it. When did we buy it? Let me see. What time? We bought it at 10:04. So right around the dip, like right here. And then it nuked. It was less than 10 cents. They were like 5 cents. And it closed. It went all the way to $1.70. We closed it. What did we close it at? 80. So right around here. Fucking disgusting. Did Apple hit that target? No, not yet. It almost did. Dude, those Intel, if you guys took that Intel premium that I talked about, it's up huge already.
All right, I'm gonna get off for a little bit.
Yeah, definitely. We're gonna call it a week as well.
I am super happy today.
Yeah.
Super. Up 49.28%.
That's fucking awesome, man. Love to see it. John, 11,000 on the day. Love to see it, man. Big day. And look at this. You guys are posting a ton of shit in gains. You guys aren't having a bad week. You guys green or red on the day before you go? Green or red on the day, and green or red on the week. The Fed has entered the market. Yeah, really. All we needed was that IWM push, man. That's what I was talking about. Big IWM push came in. Okay, so most of you guys are green on the day. Most of you guys are red on the week. That makes sense. It was a choppy ass week. Really good way to end the week, though. Really good way to end the week. What's funny about my trade that I just took? I was using Tasty Trade's little close profit thing. I had it closing me at 30% gain, but then I canceled it and then I manually got out. So we could have made like an additional 10%, but that's like not a big fucking deal. But that's what's good about that little percentage tool for people like me who sell early. If I just like pick a level, pick a percentage that I like, put it in there, forget about it. Definition of dog shit. Yeah, really. JMA picked up some spy calls, didn't he? Towards the close. Let me delete these messages in my channel of the things that I was looking at but I didn't buy. Actually, I'll leave the Intel one in there because we're still looking at the Intel one. But alright guys, I'm going to end it on that. It's been a fucking hell of a week. I think I've aged 10 years. We're going to come back on... Well, actually, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So if you guys are going to be in the Discord, I'm going to be doing a private stream on risk management, proper sizing, how to size in, how to size out, all that kind of things. How many positions you guys should be holding, how to manage positions. Basically that whole mindset of risk management. We're going over all that tomorrow on Saturday. Probably around 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern. If you guys can't make it, it will be recorded, and I'll put that in the trading tips section. But yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sunday, we'll have the summary of markets. I'm going to do what I did last week, where I'm going to do the summary of markets and the weekly watch list in the same video. So that's all going to be on Sunday, and then I'll see you guys back on Monday for our live trading. But all right, guys, if you guys are in stream, if you guys are in Discord, you guys have a good weekend. And I'll see you guys either tomorrow or Monday. Peace out, guys.